What's up guys, Learning with Rich here. In this exercise, we are going to learn how to use paces in our project. So this is like telling a story about your project. So what are the stages? Is it existing? Is it new construction or is it temporary? Okay, so this is the tool that you need to use if you want to do that. So in this exercise, we're going to set the view pace properties, create paces, and then we're going to use them to show demolished and reconstructed model components. Okay, so if I'm going to select this wall here, if I click the wall, you see the properties. On the instance properties, you can see that that particular wall was created on a new construction phase, which is not. So let's say, for example, this whole building, we're going to do some renovation. Okay, so when we go to the site, this is all existing. So that's why I'm going to select this house. And then from the instance properties, I can see here the pace created, new construction. Now I'm going to change that to existing because this is already existing. Okay, so I select that one. And I select here apply. And there you go. And then you will notice that the color have changed here. So if you are wondering how to change the color here, just go to the manage and look for paces. You click paces. So on the project paces tab, you have two paces here. So you have existing and then you have new construction pace. Of course, you can create a new pace here before existing or after existing, or before new construction or after new construction phase. Okay, so that's your project paces tab. And then you also have here pace filters. Okay, so when you say pace filters, so you can see here the filter show all means it will show all the elements on the new construction, existing pace, demolished pace, and temporary pace. And show complete, it will only show here the new construction and then the existing pace. It will not display any demolished or temporary elements. Okay, so etc, etc. So you just need to, these are all self-explanatory. Okay, so like for example, show new, of course it will only show the new construction here. Okay, but it will not show any existing, demolished, or temporary. By category, that means the color will be based on the category parameter or elements, like in the visibility graphic override. So whatever you set on the visibility graphic overrides, so that will gonna be the reflection of the color. Okay, and then you also have here graphics override. Okay, so on the graphic overrides, you can see here you have four paces status. So you have existing, demolished, new, and temporary. And then you can see here that my existing is gray. That's why when I change the status of the pace of this building to existing, it becomes gray. So if I change the lines here, for example, I change that to blue. Okay, it will becomes blue. Okay, but that is not what I want, so I'm just going to undo it. Okay, so after I change the status of this whole building to existing, all right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create paces here. So as you can see, I have two paces. I have existing and new construction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select existing and then I'm going to select here after to create a new pace. There you go. And then I'm going to change that one to main entry. Okay, you can put a description here if you want. So I'm going to select, I'll just change this one, this new construction here. So I'll just change that to interior renovation. Okay, like that. So I have three paces: existing, main entry, interior renovation. So I'm going to select here graphic override. So what I want is I want to show my demolished lines to I want to change the color. Okay, so I'll change that lines. I change the color to red, and then I select here OK, and then OK, so that any demolished elements will becomes dash line and colored red. Okay, so same with the cut lines. So I'll change that to red, and then I'll select here OK. And then I'll select here OK, and then OK to close the pacing dialog box. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to level 1 here. So let me double click level 1. So I'm going to right click level 1, and then I'll just rename this one. So I'm going to call this level 1 existing. Enter. Would you like? No. So I just select here no. Right. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to duplicate this. So right click, duplicate. Okay, so this one I'm going to call exterior demolition. Okay, exterior demolition. So I want to duplicate this again. So I will call this main entry. Main entry. Duplicate again. Oops. Right click, rename. So interior demolition. Okay, interior demolition. So right click, duplicate, and then the final one is interior renovation. Interior renovation. Okay, so these are the plans that I want to show in different paces. So like this is already existing, level 1 existing. So this is the existing. Okay, and then after that, so I want to show also the exterior demolition. Okay, so I want to show that. Right, so here on my level 1 existing, so I'm going to select, I'm going to move the slider down here and then check the pacing here. So there's a pace filter. So for the pace filter, I'm going to show, instead of show all, I just want to show here, show complete. So show complete and then apply. Okay, so it's now highlighted. Okay. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is, I'm going to open now the exterior demolition. So this is now my existing, level 1 existing view. So now, I'll be doing some demolition. So I'm going to open exterior demolition. And then after that, here, so what will going to be the pace of this? So the pace of my exterior demolition, this is not interior renovation, so I'm going to select here the main entry. So this is the pace for my exterior demolition because I'm going to do the main entry. So that's why I'm going to change the pace to main entry pace. Okay? So main entry pace. So now, I'm going to, since this is exterior demolition, and then the pace is main entry, I'm going to do some demolition here. Okay, so to do some demolition, so let me go to the modify tab, and then you see there's a hammer here. So I'm going to select that. So I'm going to demolish this door here, these windows, and this wall here. So obviously, if I click the wall here to demolish, the door will also demolish. Okay, and then I'll just select here modify. Okay, so this is now my exterior demolition view. So I have my level 1 existing, which is this one. Okay, so here on my level 1 existing, so notice that all the original walls are displayed as black lines because the pace of this view is set to existing. Okay, so here on my level 1 existing, so I'm going to change the pace here. So instead of interior renovation, because this is the newest pace, So I'm going to make that existing. So existing. So this is my existing, right? So if you go back to manage paces, so this is the oldest pace, and then going down, that will gonna be the newer paces. So that's why you see on this side it's past, and then this side is future. So this is past, and then becomes future all the way down. Okay, so now I have my view for level 1 existing, which is the correct view. This is the existing view, and then I did some exterior demolition. So there's the demolition pace. So the pace here is already main entry. That's the second pace. Okay, so now the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm now gonna select the main entry view. So I select main entry view. Okay, so on the main entry view, I'll just change the pace filter here. Okay, you see the pace filter, it says here show all. So maybe here I'll just select show complete. And then for the pace, again, this is not the interior renovation pace. So I'm still working on the main entry pace. So I'm going to select here main entry. Okay, so any elements that I'll be creating now here will be placed on main entry pace. Okay, right? Okay, so let us now add door here. Okay, so I'm going to add door here. So this is now the main entry renovation. So I'm going to add door, double glass. I'll put a double glass here, and then I also create window. So like for example here, one window, and then okay. Okay, so the story now is this is my existing view. This is my existing building, and then after that we did some exterior demolition, which is this one. Okay, so here, as you can see, my new elements is showing here. So this is, I don't want to show this one. I only want the demolition shown here. So I'm going to change my view here. So instead of pace filter show all, so for the exterior demolition, I'm just going to make that show previews plus demolition. Okay, so I select that one, and this is the correct pace that I want. Okay, so that is my exterior demolition. So it will show the preview space plus the demolition. Okay, so that's the story. So I have my existing, and then after that I did some demolition. Okay, and then I did some main entry renovation. All right, so we are now done on the exterior side. All right, so this time we are now going to move on to the interior renovation. So I'm going to open my interior demolition. Okay, so I'll open the interior demolition. Okay, so here on my interior demolition, so I'm going to change here the properties again of my pace. So the pace here is now interior renovation, which is correct. And then I'll just select here show complete. Okay, so that's the complete one. And then this one is already updated, right, based on my main entry pace. So there's my new door, there's my 2 windows. So here, this is my interior demolition. So I'm going to do some demolition here. So from the modify, I select demolish. So I just select, I'll just demolish this. Okay, so here, as you can see, every time I select an element, it disappears. Because remember, if your pace filter is show complete, okay, it will not show any demolished elements. Okay, so that's why it's disappearing every time I demolish an elements here. Okay, which is, I don't like that. So I want to show the demolished elements here. So that's why instead of pace filter show complete, I'm going to select here show previews plus demo. So let's click that. And there you go. So this is now the correct view that I want. So I want to show here the previous existing elements and then the demolition. Okay? So now I'm going to move on to the last part of my renovation, which is I'm going to show here the interior renovation. So I double click interior renovation, and then here for the paste filter, I'm going to change that to show complete. Okay, so meaning I only want to show the new construction and then the existing. So for the paste here, so this is correct, interior renovation. So now I'm ready to do some addition or renovation here. So like for example, I want to add a partition here. I can select this, right click and create similar. I click here, click, okay, like that. And then I'm gonna put door here. So I select this one, right click, create similar. Just put a door. And then maybe I want to add walls here. So I select this, right click, create similar. So I can create partition there. Like that. Okay? Right? And then I select here modify. So this is now the final building. Okay, so this is now the final building. So the story is when I go to the site, this is how it looks like. And then after that, I did some exterior demolition. So I demolished this doors and walls and windows. And then after I did some exterior demolition, so I did the main entry, double click, which is this. And then after the main entry, I did some interior demolition, which is this one. And then finally, the renovation. There you go. So I can also look that one in 3D view. So 3D view. So this is my existing. Okay. So maybe I'll show here complete. Show complete. And then the latest space. Apply. There you go. Okay. So I can also select here what pace. Main entry pace. There you go. So that's the main entry pace without the interior renovation. So here is my interior renovation. There you go. Okay, so basically that's how you use your pacing. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.